Guys, we got this Ototo Fun Guy Fridge Deodorizer. It's a food grade fridge smell eliminator with a dishwasher safe and BPA free refrigerator baking soda deodorizer holder. So it's very compact, and with the Ototo you get a really nice designs with a good quality material. So here you can see that this is a very nice thing. In case like you can just put in the baking soda here and then just put it in the fridge. So very cute design, as you can see. It's like a mushroom design to me. Just put in the baking soda here, and I will just put it in the baking soda and put in the refrigerator just to see. But a nice design which you can clean easily and deodorize your refrigerator. Just put it in any corner in the refrigerator, and this will start working. BPA free, dishwasher safe, and a nice technology for a baking soda deodorizer. It looks good in the refrigerator too. You can put it in any location.